Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming which method you'll use, Optifine Mod Zoom or the in-game Spyglass. First, make sure Minecraft runs the right edition. Optifine is Java only, while Spyglass works in survival after crafting. Once done, install Optifine and launch the correct profile, or craft a Spyglass from 1 amethyst shard and 2 copper ingots. Then open Settings right arrow controls to bind a zoom key, because a consistent key makes aiming and framing predictable when you zoom in. You now activate zoom. Hold the key you bound for Optifine or right-click while holding the Spyglass. As you do, notice how FOV narrows. Make sure to tweak options right arrow video settings, right arrow details, or FOV and mouse sensitivity so panning feels natural and not jittery. Once you've dialed sensitivity down a bit, practice combining zoom with crouch to steady the camera, and use short taps to frame targets precisely. This gives you control for scouting, building, or recording close details. You finish by releasing the zoom key or lowering the Spyglass to return to full view. If it doesn't work, check that Optifine matches your Minecraft version or that no other keybind conflicts exist. Reopen controls to reassign keys. For jittery zoom, reduce mouse sensitivity and disable other camera-affecting mods temporarily to isolate the cause. Once fixed, save your control profile and practice quick taps versus long holds so you can switch between scoped and normal vision.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.